Today, we will learn English with one of the most famous animals in the world, the lion. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. This is a lion. It is a big, wild animal. The word wild means that it does not live in a house. It lives in nature, not with people. Lions live in groups called prides. A pride is the family of lions. One lion, two lions, but one pride, two prides. The male lion has a large mane around his head. The word mane means the long hair around the lion's head and neck. Repeat, mane. Lions usually live in Africa, in hot and open places like the savanna. The savanna is a large, flat area with grass and a few trees. Repeat, savanna. The lion is strong, fast, and very good at working with his group. Here you learn three useful words: strong, fast, group. You can use them to talk about people too. Now let's use the lion as a symbol. Some people call the lion the king of the jungle, but the lion is not a king because of a crown. He is a king because of his confidence, his courage, and his teamwork with the pride. In your life, you can be like a lion in a positive way. Believe in yourself. Protect your dreams. Work with your team, your family, your friends. Remember this line: I am learning English like a lion, step by step, but I never stop. Say it with me. I am learning English like a lion, step by step, but I never stop. Now it is your turn. Write in the comments, what is your favorite animal? Use one simple English sentence with it. For example, my favorite animal is the lion. It is strong. I will read your sentences, and maybe your animal will be the star of the next episode of Animal English with One Lingo.